Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking into making an amazing vegan lemon poppy seed cake, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with our wet ingredients first. First we're going to add 450 grams of almond milk, 250 grams of canola oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and 6 grams of vanilla extract. Now with that we're going to whisk it together, making sure that it is well combined. And then we're going to set that aside and mix our dry ingredients. So in a mixer or another bowl, we're going to mix together 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 450 grams of white granulated sugar, 10 grams of kosher salt, 10 grams of baking powder, 10 grams of poppy seeds, and the zest of 3 lemons. Now if you're using a mixer, I use a paddle attachment, so we're going to hook that onto the mixer and we're going to lock that in, and on a very low speed mix our dry ingredients together till they're combined. Next, we're going to put our mixer on the lowest speed and we're going to add our wet ingredients very slowly. Now, once you've added all your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, we're going to very slowly mix it in our mixer to make sure that we do not develop too much gluten, and that will ruin the cake. So after that is done, we're going to take our mixture and we're going to pour it into a cake pan. The cake pan that I'm using is a 9-inch by 14-inch rectangle pan that I've lightly oiled. After you have filled your cake pan with your mixture, we're going to put that into a 350-degree oven for roughly 35 to 45 minutes, or until you put a wooden skewer in the middle of your cake and it comes out clean. Now, while we are waiting for our cake to cook, we're going to make a simple glaze for it. The glaze is consisting of 1 cup of icing sugar, a 1/4 cup of almond milk, and half a lemon juiced. Now we are going to whisk that together, making sure we have no clumps of any icing sugar left in the mixture. Once your cake is done, what I like to do is I like to put it onto a wire rack to cool with a little bit of parchment or wax paper underneath that. Don't mind the 3 holes on the top of the cake. That's where I was testing if my cake was done or not. Now once your cake is cooled, you are ready to cut into it, put a little bit of glaze on it, and enjoy it. For any new videos that I can make, please leave that in the comment section below, and also leave a like if you like this video, and please subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.